The Clarke CSB20B heavy-duty blast cabinet is a most effective blast cleaning system that will revitalise most metal objects suffering from rust, surface corrosion or an unwanted paint coating. The abrasive penetrates even the most difficult-to-reach cavities to ensure a thorough cleaning process. The cabinet is fitted with a high visibility and protective top opening viewing screen, which, coupled with an internal 12-volt light, enables you to easily position your parts and see what you're doing. This excellent product will be a great addition to any workshop. With ample internal space, both large and small items can be cleaned effectively with the right abrasive. A wide range of cleaning abrasives can be used with the CSB20B depending on the task at hand, including garnet, glass and, of course, sand. The CSB20B includes an extra air filter to help ensure a cleaner exhaust and also has an outlet for connection to a vacuum extractor. To operate effectively, it requires one of the many powerful Clarke air compressors, which deliver a minimum airflow of 10 cubic feet per minute at 8 bar. The robust CSB20B will give you many years of great service.